Hi, if you want to create custom walking routes on the iPhone 16, then open the Maps app first. And here you would need to tap on your location, and after that you can select to mark my location. And now you need to go in the More tab and you will see the Create a Custom Route feature. So you need to choose any place you are heading to and then just tap it like that, and you will see the distance between your 2 points in the kilometers or meters. Also, you can just use this reverse button, so now your location will be your endpoint and the place you are heading to will be the start point. Tap reverse and now everything is in reverse situation. So, if you want to go back to the starting point, just click on the close loop and Maps will take you back to the beginning. Here you can also use this arrow to just go back and to dismiss the changes like that. Now let's select this point once more, and here you can tap this route icon and you will see your route more detailed. Now you can select this button to save it. You can rename it here. Also you can use emojis. You can download this route or do not do it and then tap the done button to save this route, and after that you can select this green button go, and here you will see how to just get to that point that you selected. And if you want to end it, just tap the arrow and select this red button to end the route, and that's it. So I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.